jump that high, right? I think she could probably jump.
She can't jump downstairs though. Like she won't like instinctively jump down the stairs.
Well, she was on the floor. She would jump up.
Yeah. I don't know about
Really
that.
get it.
I don't know what she is.
She's assessing the situation.
How would you get
Pull,
it?
pull the cord. Yeah, pull it.
We're like mean people.
Get it.
Come on, Nelly.
Get it.
Yeah,
Ah!
yeah, there you go. What?
Get it.
Come on, Nelly. Hey, girl.
She's like, I have another toy.
Oh, there's a puppy. Get it.
Almost got it.
Ooh.
Yeah, you're so smart.
Okay.
Get it.
Oh.